Welcome to Grade 7 Maths Session 16 video. Hi children, this is your session 16 class. This is page number 84. Last class we have completed from the pages 78 to 83. Now we are going to start with the page number 84. So write neatly continuously in your maths subject note. Okay, so before that I want to recall the previous class, whatever we learned now, everything I want to recall. So listen it carefully. So I have written one example expression. Okay, so in this expression we have the three terms. So this is trinomial expression. Okay, plus and minus only can separate the terms. Multiplication and division can't separate the terms. Okay, wow. So next is this x and y are called as a variables. So plus 9 is there, it is called as a constant. Okay, so x before variable before any number is there, that is the coefficient. So 7 is the coefficient of x, 3 is the coefficient of y. Okay children, so and then we learnt about the like terms and unlike terms. Like terms means both the variables are same, means it is called as a like terms. Variables are differ means it is called as a unlike terms. Till now we learnt in the previous class. Okay children, I hope everybody remember that. So now I am going to start with the new topic, that is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. Children, we can add and subtract only the like terms. Listen it children, we can add and subtract only the like terms. So 4x plus 4x. So here also x is the variable, here also x is the variable. So we can add means we will get the answer 8x. Okay, so next example, 4x minus 3y. Children, listen it carefully. Here x is the variable, here y is the variable. So both the variables are different. So it is an unlike term. So we can't do subtraction here. Same addition also we can't do if it is an unlike term. Only like terms can add and subtract. Okay, remember this in your mind always. Okay, only like terms can add and subtract. Okay children. Okay, so next I am going to start up with the example number 3.5. Add the expression. Add the expression. Children, listen here. Two expression they given. First one is pq minus 1. Second one is 3pq plus 2. Okay, both the expressions are binomial expression. Is it right? Because we have two terms here also we have the two terms. So both the expressions are binomial expression. So we are going to add this expression. So here also pq variable, here also pq variable, here constant number, here constant. So we can add it. Okay, so shall I start to do this sum? Listen it carefully. pq, okay, minus 1. Okay, wow. Here 3pq plus 2. Okay, wow. Listen children, if no number is there before the variable, we have to take it as a 1. Previous class itself I said this with you people. So no number is there before the variable, we have to take it as a 1. So now I have 1 pq, here 3 pq. First we have to start with this constant because we have to add from the this side to the left side. So here 2 minus 1. Okay, so both the symbol are different. So we have to do the subtraction. 2 minus 1 is what we will get? 2 minus 1. We will get 1. 2 is the bigger number before plus is there. So plus you give. Okay, wow. Here pq as it is you take and write. Here see both the here also plus, here also plus. So we have to do the addition. 3 plus 1 is 4. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன், இங்கே இருக்க நம்பர்ஸ் கூட இங்கே இருக்க சைனை வச்சு தான் ப்ளஸ் பண்ணுமா மைனஸ் பண்ணுமான்னு பார்க்கணும். அதுக்கப்புறமா இதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க சிம்பிளை வச்சு தான் இதை ப்ளஸ் பண்ணுமா மைனஸ் பண்ணுமா. மேம் இயர் யூ டிட் த சப்ராக்ஷன், ஒய் இயர் யூ ஆர் டூயிங் த அடிஷன் லைக் தட், டோன்ட் திங்க். ஓகேவா, இந்த சிம்பிள் இந்த 2 கான்ஸ்டன்ட் நம்பர்ஸ்க்கு மட்டும்தான். ஸோ அதே மாதிரி இங்கே என்ன சிம்பிள் இருக்கோ அந்த சிம்பிள் தான் இந்த டேர்ம்ஸ்க்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, ஸோ ஐ டிட் 4pq plus 1. தட்ஸ் யுவர் ஆன்சர். Okay, shall we do the next one? So 8x plus 3, 1 minus 7x. Here also variable x, here also variable x. So both are like terms. Shall we do this? So 8x plus 3. Okay ba? So 7x. Ma'am 1 தானே first இருக்கு, அதனால 1 இங்கே எழுதணும். No, don't do like that. Terms you have to split and write. Okay ba? இது 7x term minus 7x term. So அதை தான் நீங்கள் இங்கே எழுதணும். minus 7x term. xக்கு நேரம் x இருக்கணும். Okay ba? அப்போ ரிமைனிங் எங்கிட்ட என்ன கான்ஸ்டன்ட் நம்பர்? plus 1 is my constant. Understand ஆச்சா? ஓகேவா? எக்ஸுக்கு நேராக தான் எக்ஸ் வேரியபிள் எழுதணும். அப்போ மைனஸ் 7x தான் வரும். ஓகேவா? அப்புறமா இந்த 1 தூக்கி பேக்கில் இந்த கான்ஸ்டன்ட் நம்பர் கூட போடணும். எப்பவுமே கான்ஸ்டன்ட் நம்பரை கான்ஸ்டன்ட்ஸ் கூட தான் ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஸோ வேரியபிள் எக்ஸ் எங்கே இருக்கோ இந்த எக்ஸ் கூட தான் இன்னொரு வேரியபிள் எக்ஸோட வேல்யூவை நம்ம ஆட் பண்ண முடியும். ஓகே, ஸோ 3 + 1 is 4. 3 + 1 is 4. Here see plus minus. So plus minus we have to do the subtraction. Subtraction do means 8 minus 7 is 1. X bigger number is 8. 8 before plus is there. So here also plus only will come. So 1x plus 4 or x plus 4 is the answer. Okay va? Variable முன்னாடி எந்த நம்பரும் இல்லைனா I will say it is a 1. Okay va? So 1x plus 4 ன்னு எழுதலாம், or else x plus 4 also you can write. Okay, I hope everybody understand. This is the addition of expressions. Okay va? Next I have to do the subtraction we going to do. Okay va? So 7pq 11pq, only one term, here also only one term. So it is a monomial expression. So in this also I have the pq as the variable, here also I have the pq as the variable. So both are like terms. So we want to do the subtraction here. Subtraction means what I have to do here? So 11pq is there. ஓகேவா? சப்ராக்ஷனில் ஃப்ரம் கொடுத்துருந்தாங்கன்னா ஃப்ரம்முக்கு ரைட் சைடில் என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அந்த நம்பரை தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு எழுதணும். ஸோ 11pq ஓகேவா மைனஸ் 7pq. ஓகே, 11pq மைனஸ் 7pq. ஸோ pq காமனான வேரியபிள் அப்படியே எழுதிடுறேன். ஸோ 11 minus 7 what I will get? 11 minus 7 what I will get? Open your mouth and say 4 I will get. So my answer is 4pq. Okay wow, very much simple. Okay, so listen children. So second sum minus a from a. Okay, from right la a irukku, so on the a va first எழுதிக்கிறேன். We have to do the subtraction. So I just want to give the minus sign here, and then here minus a is there, so you have to take and write it separately minus a. Okay, now are you clear children? This a is this, so we have to do the subtraction. So I give the minus here, and then I'll take and write this minus a here. If they give the plus a means I will write here plus a here. Minus a they given, so I written the minus a here. Now okay, minus into minus, so this a first a I'll write minus into minus is plus. So next this a. Okay, a plus a plus a. Listen children, variable முன்னாடி எதுவுமே நம்பர் இல்லை அப்படின்னா we have to consider it as a 1. Here also 1. So 1a plus 1a we will get 2a. Okay, 1a plus 1a we will get 2a. 2a is your answer. Listen, note it down children, very much important concept this. A plus a equal to 2a. Okay, a minus a is the 0. At the same time a into a equal to a square. A into a equal to a square. A divided by a. Okay, a divided by a is 1. A divided by a is 1. Okay, very much important concept this a plus a. So for example I use this variable a. If x plus x equal to 2x, x minus x equal to 0, x into x equal to x square, x divided by x equal to 1. Okay, this is very much important, you can understand very easily. Okay, any variable they may ask w plus w equal to 2w. Okay va, w into w equal to w square, like that only you have to understand this. Okay, for example I use this variable x. Any variable, any two variable if you add means you will get the answer 2 of that variable. Okay, very much important thing this is, so remember always this. Okay, so next is I'm going to teach you the same example, third sum. Same example, third sum. The question is 5x plus 7 from 21x plus 9. 21x plus 9. So 5x plus 7 from 21x plus 9. So we have to do the subtraction here. So from right side la irukadha first எழுதணும் சொன்னேன், 21x plus 9. Okay, before two sums children we have only monomial expression, so I did like this. Okay va, கீழே எழுதி minus பண்ணேன், but this is a binomial expression. So how to do the subtraction in the binomial expression, just listen this carefully. So 21x plus 9. Okay va, இது போச்சு, இது கூட நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம், subtraction பண்ண போறோம். So subtraction பண்ணோம்னா we will get this as back side, 5x plus 7. Understand children, do you what I am telling now? So 5x plus 7. So in this children 21x plus 9, as it is you write this minus, we want to separate with these two numbers. So minus into plus is minus 5x. Okay, so minus into plus is minus 7. Okay va, இந்த minus இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர் கூடயும் minus multiply பண்றோம். Now you take and write the same variables in one place, 21x here minus 5x. Okay va, so next is plus 9 minus 7, plus 9 minus 7, constant number, take and write separately. Now 21x minus 5x, அப்போ 21 minus 5 என்ன வரும், 16x we will get. So here 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7 is 2. So 16x plus 2 we will get, 16x plus 2 we will get. Okay, very much simple sum children. ஒன்றும் இல்லை, சப்ராக்ஷன்றதுனால இந்த சைனை மைனஸை இங்கே இன்க்ளூட் பண்ணேன். இதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த மைனஸ் சைனை இது கூட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுற டூ நம்பர்ஸ் கூடயும். ஸோ ப்ளஸ் இருக்குது, மைனஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ மைனஸ் ப்ளஸ்னால் மைனஸ், மைனஸ் ப்ளஸ்னால் மைனஸ். ஸோ 5x இங்கே 7 அப்படியே. அதுக்கப்புறமா சேம் வேரியபிள்ன்றதுனால டேக் அண்ட் ரைட் செப்பரேட்லி, இயர் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் நம்பர் டேக் அண்ட் ரைட் செப்பரேட்லி. அப்புறம் 21x கூட மைனஸ் 5 பண்ணனா 16x எனக்கு கிடைக்கும். 9 minus 7 is 2, that is plus 2. So this is your answer. Okay children, so till now we have learned two example. One is addition, another one is subtraction. Now the third example what they given is simplify. They given 3.7 simplify. Children listen here carefully. Here it was mingled with both plus and minus, both plus and minus. We have to take, this is a polynomial expression because we have how many terms here, count and tell, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. We have 9 terms, so it is called as a polynomial expression. Okay, now start to do this sum. Very much simple children. First என்னென்ன வேரியபிள்ஸ் இருக்கீங்க, x இருக்கு, y இருக்கு, z இருக்கு. x இருக்கு, y இருக்கு, z இருக்கு, x இருக்கு, y இருக்கு, z இருக்கு. ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அப்படின்னா, x வேரியபிளை மட்டும் டேக் அண்ட் ரைட் செப்பரேட்லி. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 100x இங்கே ப்ளஸ் 10x. சில்ட்ரன் எப்போவுமே செப்பரேட்டாக எழுதும்போது அதுக்கு முன்னாடி என்ன சிம்பிள் இருக்கோ அந்த சிம்பிளையும் சேர்த்து தான் நீங்கள் எழுதணும். ஓகேவா, வெதர் இட் இஸ் ஆட் ஆர் சப் அதை பற்றி நீங்கள் கவலைப்படாதீங்க, பட் அதுக்கு முன்னாடி இருக்க சிம்பிளோடு சேர்த்து தான் எழுதணும். ஸோ 100x ப்ளஸ் 10x மைனஸ் எக்ஸ், எக்ஸோட வேல்யூ முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. இப்போ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு y plus 99y. Next y is 10y. Here next y is minus y. Y எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து எழுதியாச்சு. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் z. zக்கு என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, minus 98z, minus 98z. அதுக்கப்புறமா plus 10z, அதுக்கப்புறமா ப்ளஸ் z. இங்கே ஸ்பேஸ் இல்லாததுனால நான் கீழே எழுதுகிறேன், நீங்கள் கண்டினியூஸாக எழுதுங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸோ till now we have completed. So next is இந்த மாதிரி டேக் அண்ட் ரைட் பண்ணோம்னா இங்கே 3 3 3 totally we have the 9 terms in this polynomial expression. ஓகேவா. ஸோ இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா இதை மட்டும் சால்வ் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஸோ எக்ஸுக்கு முன்னாடி எதுவும் நம்பர் இல்லை அப்படின்னா we have to take it as a 1. ஸோ 100 + 10 is 110 minus 1 என்ன வரும்? 110 minus 1 is 109x. ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட்டு 99 + 10 ஸோ 109. 99 + 10 is 109. 109 minus 1. 109 minus 1. What will you get? 108. ஓகேவா. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் 98z. இங்கே தான் நீங்கள் முக்கியமாக அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணோம். 98z தட் இஸ் -98z கூட +10 பண்ணால் என்ன வரும்? ஸோ ப்ளஸ் இருக்குது மைனஸ் இருக்குது ப்ளஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ we have to do the subtraction. Subtraction do means 98 minus 10 is 88. Okay, -88 we will get. So -88 plus 1z. So -88 plus 1z என்ன வரும்? open your mouth and say. இங்கே சால்வ் பண்ணுறேன் பாருங்கள். ஸோ -98 plus 10 plus minus I will get. So 98 88 I will get. So 88. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து ப்ளஸ் 1z இருக்குது. அப்போது இது கூட +1. So minus plus I have to do the subtraction. So 88 minus 1 is I will get 87. So minus, that is 88 is bigger number before minus is there. So minus 87z. Minus 87z. That's it children. Only you have to take and write separately that numbers and then you can solve by doing the addition and subtraction. So while doing the addition and subtraction you must concentrate on the symbols before that numbers. Symbols are very must. ஓகேவா. ப்ளஸ் இருக்கா மைனஸ் இருக்கா, அடிஷன்னா கண்ணை மூடிட்டு அடிஷன் பண்ணக்கூடாது. அடிஷன் கொடுத்துருக்க ரெண்டு நம்பர்ஸும் பாசிட்டிவ் நம்பர்ஸா நெகட்டிவ் நம்பர்ஸா அப்படின்றத டீட்டெயிலாக பார்த்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறமா பண்ணோம்னா we will get the correct answers. Okay, I hope everybody can understand what I am coming to say. Okay children. So next is example number 3.8. ஓகேவா. here they are not given anything. addition பண்ணுங்க, subtraction பண்ணுங்க, not given anything. but here you can have the two expressions. both the expressions have the variables x, y, z. here also x, y, z. and then we have the symbols too. all two expressions are trinomial expression because we have the three terms. okay va. So now you just listen it carefully how I am doing this. So 3x. okay va. So minus 4y. okay, plus z. just listen here. x க்கு நேரா தான் x எழுதணும். so 2x எழுதியாச்சு. y க்கு நேரா தான் y எழுதணும். அப்போ plus 3y. ஓகே. அப்போ z-க்கு நேராக z எழுதும்போது இப்போ மைனஸ் z. இந்த மாதிரி ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணி கரெக்டாக எழுதிக்கிட்டோம்னா we can do it very easily. plus z minus z we will get the answer 0. 0 means we don't want to mention this. plus z minus z cancel ஆயிடும். opposite symbols have the same variable. opposite symbols have the same variable means we have to cancel it. okay, opposite symbol have the same variables means we have to cancel that. okay, so here minus plus is there. minus plus, so we have to do the subtraction. so 4 minus 3 is 1. why? which is the bigger number? 4 is the bigger number. before minus is there, so I have to give the minus sign here. here plus plus, both the numbers are positive, so I have to do the addition. so 3 plus 2 is 5x. 5x. okay, are you clear children what I am coming to say? so my answer is 5x minus y. okay, so here you always keep in your mind same variable have different signs. same variable have different signs means we have to cancel that. so we will get the answer 0. for example I will say இப்போ வந்து z-க்கு வந்து 1 வேல்யூ கொடுக்குறேன். plus 1 minus 1 என்ன வரும்? plus minus minus பண்ணணும். அப்போ 1 minus 1 I will get the answer 0 only. so that only I am just doing the cancellation of this. okay va. keep it in your mind. same variable have different signs, so we have to do the cancel. okay, so next I am going to do the subtract. they given very clearly here subtract. from also they given. as I said in the previous example, from come means what is in the What is in the right side should be come first. So 4x plus 3y. Okay, subtract the given. So I have to give the minus sign here. So next is 2x minus 5y. 2x minus 5y. Okay, bracket potacha. So now you have to do the multiplication with this sign 3y as it is you write. So minus 2x minus into plus is minus 2x. Okay, so minus into minus is plus 5y. Okay, now you can check it very clearly. Here also x, here also x, y and y. Okay, so take and write it separately the x terms first. 4x minus 2x. 4x minus 2x. Now you take and write the y terms 3y plus 5y. 3y plus 5y. You can do the simplification here. 4x minus 2x is 4 minus 2 is 2. 2x I will get. Okay, so 3y plus 5y I will get. Both the numbers are positive, so I have to do the addition here. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8y I will get. Okay children, very much simple. ஒன்றும் இல்லை, சப்ராக்ட்னு கொடுத்ததுனால இங்கே மைனஸ் நான் ஆட் இங்கே கொடுத்தேன். இந்த மைனஸை இந்த ரெண்டு நம்பர் கூட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணால் ஸோ minus 2x plus 5y வரும். ஏன்னா மைனஸ் இன்ட்டு மைனஸ் இஸ் ப்ளஸ் ஆகிடும், மைனஸ் இன்ட்டு ப்ளஸ் இஸ் மைனஸ் ஆகிடும். ஓகேவா, அதுக்கப்புறமா எக்ஸ் டேர்ம்ஸ் தனியாக எழுதிக்கிட்டேன், 4xையும் மைனஸ் 2xையும். அதுக்கப்புறம் ஒய் டேர்ம்ஸ் ஐ வில் ரைட் y 3y plus 5y. இப்போ 4x minus 2x, 4 minus 2 is 2, x அப்படியே எழுதுங்க. ஸோ 3 plus 5 is 8, y அப்படியே எழுதுங்க. That's all. ஓகேவா, ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் see, very much interesting sum. This is example number 3.9. Okay, Mani and his friend Mohammed went to a hotel for a dinner. Sorry, here I did for a dinner. So Mani has 2 idlis and 2 dosa. Mani has 2 idli and 2 dosa, whereas Mohammed had 4 idli and 1 dosa. If the price of each idli and dosa is x and y respectively, so இட்லிக்கு வந்து x எடுத்துக்கணும், தோசாக்கு வந்து y கொடுக்கணும். இட்லிக்கு வந்து x கொடுக்கணும், தோசாக்கு y கொடுக்கணும். Then find the bill amount in x and y. ஓகேவா, பில் அமௌண்ட் அப்போ மொத்தம் எத்தனை தோசை எத்தனை இட்லி சாப்பிட்டாங்க x and yல ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா, மணி அண்ட் முகமது. ஓகே, ரைட் இட் ஹியர். சொல்யூஷன், மணி எத்தனை இட்லி? 2 idli. So idliக்கு பதிலாக we have to give the x. How many dosa? 2 dosa. So dosaக்கு பதிலாக y. Okay, now has 2 idlis and 2. Mohammed has Mohammed 4 idli 1 dosa. So 4x plus 1 dosa is 1y. Okay, so you have to add x plus x and y plus y. So 2x plus 4x. Totally how much idli, how much dosa they add? That's what they are asking. So 2y plus 1y. So 2 plus 4 is 6x. That is 6 idlis plus how many dosa? 2 plus 1 is 3 dosa. ஓகேவா, இட்லின்ற வேர்டு பதிலாக எக்ஸ் வேரியபிள், தோசா வேர்டு பதிலாக ஒய் வேரியபிள். ஸோ ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா 6x plus 3y is your algebraic statement. 6x plus 3y is the algebraic statement. Very much simple sum children. Question only the bigger in size, but answer is very small if you are understanding very well. Okay, very much simple sum. Understand it properly. So till we have completed all the examples. Example 3.10 is there, but we don't want to confuse with that. Okay, you leave off, it is not necessary now. Okay children, this is page number 86. Now we are going to start the exercise number 3.2. okay, fill in the blanks. The addition of minus 7b and 2b is, you can solve this here, 7b plus 2b. ஓகேவா ஸோ மைனஸ் என்னதான் இவங்க அடிஷன் என்ற வேர்ட் கொடுத்தாலும் பட் we have the symbol as a negative so minus plus we have to do the minus so 7 minus 2 is I will get the 5b bigger number is 7 before minus is there so my answer is minus 5b ஓகேவா சில்ட்ரன் மேம் அடிஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க why you should do the subtraction means this is the reason because we have the negative number here so negative number plus one positive number is there means we have only do the subtraction we can't do the addition with that okay remember it carefully okay next is the subtraction of 5m from 5m the subtraction of 5m from minus 3m subtraction of 5m minus 3m so as I said in the previous example from கொடுத்திருக்காங்க so from க்கு ரைட்ல minus 3 இருக்கு okay subtraction so minus போடணும் so next is 5m so minus we have to do the addition 3m minus 5m minus 3m minus 5m is 8m bigger number is 5 before minus is there so we have the minus 8m okay va so next is additive inverse means we have to write the opposite sign as the answer additive inverse means we have to write the opposite sign here one negative number is there so we have to take it and write the positive number 37 okay va negative la irundha positive la எழுதுங்க positive la irundha negative la எழுதுங்க that is mean by additive inverse so plus 37 next you take and write all the variables with that x y z that's all okay very much simple children so next is say true or false the expression 8x plus 3y 7x plus 2y okay va x variable y variable x variable y variable okay cannot be added னு சொல்றாங்க add பண்ண முடியாதுன்னு சொல்றாங்க is it right no we can add it இந்த x இந்த x add பண்ணிக்கலாம் இந்த y இந்த y கூட add பண்ணிக்கலாம் so we will get the answer as 15x plus 5y we will get okay va so இது cannot னு கொடுத்ததனால we have to write the false okay so next is if x is the natural number then x plus 1 is its predecessor x plus 1 is the predecessor for example பாருங்க x க்கு 7 கொடுக்கிறேன் so 7 plus 1 is 8 I will get so 8 வந்து 7 ஓட predecessor no 8 is the successor for the 7 அப்போ 7 ஓட predecessor எது 6 அப்போ x minus 1 is the predecessor x minus 1 is a predecessor so we have to write the answer here also false predecessor means before number okay va so 7 இருந்துச்சுனா 7 க்கு before 8 இருக்கும் no 7 க்கு before 6 only is there so it is a false okay so next is sum of okay va a minus b plus c here a minus a plus b minus c okay va opposite signs but same variable we have to take it as a 0 as I said no in the example like same only plus a 0 ஆயிடும் minus b plus b 0 ஆயிடும் plus c minus c 0 ஆயிடும் so answer is 0 yes it is the true okay va same variable with different signs it is 0 same variable with a different sign it is 0 so till now we have completed the true or false so next is third sum that is addition very much simple you can say the answer by orally so 8x plus 3x what we will get 8x plus 3x is 8 9 10 11 we will get the answer 11x that's it so next is 7mn plus 5mn so I will get the answer 12mn okay here we have the three terms so one is negative also so you have to do here very carefully okay va so minus 9y plus 11y plus 2y first I have to add this positive numbers 11 plus 2 is minus 9y I'll take and write as it is 11 plus 2 13 okay plus 13y okay va so one number positive another number negative So I have to do the subtraction here. 13 minus 9. I will get the answer 4. But bigger number is 13. Bigger number before plus is there. So answer is plus 4y. Okay. Are you clear, children? First I did addition with this positive number and then I will do the subtraction with this negative number. Okay, are you clear, children, till now? Okay, then move on to the fourth sum, that is subtract 4k from 12k. 4k from 12k. From right side, what number is there, that only you take and write the first and then subtract the given. So I have to give the subtraction sign here and then 4k. Okay, 12 minus 4 is, I'll get the answer 8k. That's it. Okay, wow. So next is 25q, okay, minus 15q equal to 25 minus 15. I will get the answer 10q. That's all. Very much simple. All are monomial terms. So doing the monomial subtraction is very simple. So first is 7xyz. Okay, 17xyz minus 7xyz. So I will get the answer 17 minus 7 is 10 xyz. Okay, children, are you clear till now? Very much simple sums, addition and subtractions only. Okay. So next is fifth sum. Find the sum of the following expressions. They given the expressions here, multiple expressions they are given. So we have to do the sum. Sum means we have to do the addition. Okay. So children, addition da panna sonanga. Like that we can do only the addition, means it's not a properly, because depending on the symbols what the variables having, no, according to that only we have to do the addition and subtraction. Okay, wow. Shall we do what this one? First term paranga, that is binomial term. This is also binomial term. This is also binomial term. We have the variable p and q. P and q. Okay, wow. So 7p plus 6q. Next paranga 5p minus q. Next பாருங்க ஏசி q தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருக்கு, அதனால q போட்டுறக்கூடாது. p யும் q யும் ஆட் பண்ண முடியாது. Different variables can't be added. So 16p இருக்கு பாருங்க, that only we have to take and write 16p. அதுக்கப்புறமா இங்க plus q. ஓகேவா? Understand, children? Like that only you have to split and do it. Like that only we have to split and do it. ஓகேவா? இப்போ இதுக்கு நம்ம ஆன்சர் போடலாம். இத ஒரு சைடு வெச்சுக்கோங்க. So first p ல இருக்கதெல்லாம் எழுதிக்கோங்க. 7p plus 5p plus 16p. ஓகேவா? next p terms over 6q minus q plus q terms. okay, so 7p plus 5p 12p plus 16p. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 2 28p. Am I right? 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 plus 7 is 28p. Okay va? இப்போ we have to do with this. Okay va? இங்க பாருங்க plus q minus q cancel பண்ணிடுங்க. So value is 0 வந்துரும். Okay va? So next similar only one thing is there, that is the 6q. So plus 6q is your answer. Okay, have you clear, children, what I am coming to say now? Okay, split off into the same variable and then do the addition and subtraction of that variables. It's very simple. So next is a plus 5b plus 7c. So take and write that 3 variables are there. So a plus 2a. Okay, next 5b plus 10b. Same variables take and write பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Next 7c plus 9c. okay va? So a before no number is there, no number is not there means we have to take it as a 1. So 1a plus 2a is 3a. 2 plus 1 is 3, so 3a. Next 5b plus 10b. 5 plus 10 is 15, so I'll get 15b. So next is 7c plus 9c. 7 plus 9 is 16, so I'll get the answer 16c. That's all. Okay, very much simple sum, children. So next is question number 3 in the same fifth sum. So here they use the variable m, n and t. Okay, so take and write first the mn terms. So first 1mn plus 2mn plus 3mn. Okay, next t terms. Simply t is there. Next minus 2t is there. Next minus 3t is there. Okay, take and write like that. Now you add. Variable before no number is there means we have to take it as a 1. So 3, 2, 1. We will add means 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6mn. Okay, so next to that, here see, just listen children. First you do the same symbol first. Minus 3t minus 2t irukku. First அதை solve பண்ணுங்க. Minus 3t minus 2t. Both the symbol are negative. So we have to do the addition. 3 plus 2 is 5t. Bigger number is 3. 3 before minus is there. So minus 5t. Okay வா. அப்போ இன்னொன்று remaining plus t இருக்கு. அப்போ plus 1t. என்ன வரும்? Minus plus. I'll get the answer minus. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 4t. Okay, 5 before what symbol is there? Minus sign is there. So minus 4t. Minus 4t is the answer. So 6mn minus 4t is the answer. Okay, have you clear children up to this? So next is u plus v. Next is u plus v. U plus minus v. 2u plus v plus 5v. 2u minus 5v. Okay, all the variables are u and v. Okay, so first in the u. Here also plus u. Here also plus 2u. Here also plus 2u. u alla separate எழுதிறேன். Next v terms. Take and write v. This is minus v. This is plus 5v. This is minus 5v. Am I right? Yes. Okay வா. So next பாருங்க u plus u. 1u 1u. Okay வா. இங்கேயும் 1 இருக்கு. இங்கேயும் variable before no number is there. We have to take it as a 1 as I said before. So 1u 1u. 2u. 2u plus 2u 4u. 4u plus 2u 6u. u வேலை over. So next is v terms. v terms see children plus 5 minus 5. Cancel பண்ணிடலாம். Plus v minus v. Cancel பண்ணிடு. That's all. Over. So your answer is 6u. Answer is 6u. Very much simple children. So next is x, y, z as the variable. Here also z, x, y. Same only. This is the variable. So x, y term, y, x term. So x, y நாலும் same தான். y, x நாலும் same தான். ஓகேவா, இங்கே 3 வேரியபிள்ஸ் இருக்குது, இங்கே 2 வேரியபிள்ஸ் இருக்குது. அதை பொறுத்து தான் இப்போ நம்ம டிஃப்ரென்ஷியேட் பண்ண போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு 3 வேரியபிள்ஸை டேக் அண்ட் ரைட் செப்பரேட்லி 5xyz. இங்கேயும் ப்ளஸ் 3zxy. ஓகேவா. ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் minus 3xy minus 5yx. Have you clear children? So next is 5 plus 3 is 8. X, Y, Z. Overall, both the symbol are same. That is minus minus. We have to do the addition. So 5 plus 3 is 8. X, Y. Bigger number is 5. 5 before minus is there. So we have to give the minus sign here. Okay. Have you clear children? 8x, y, z minus 8x is the answer. So till now we have completed the fifth sum. Okay, very much simple children. Next is sixth sum, that is subtract. Okay, they given the trinomial expressions here. We have to do the subtraction. So from right side what is there, that should be in the first. So take and write it first. 27x plus 5y minus 43. Okay, subtract they given no, so we have to give the minus sign here, and then you take and write this expression. So 13x plus 12y minus 5. Okay, so now this minus should be multiplied with this 3 terms. So 27x as it is you write this term. So 43. So minus here plus. So plus minus is minus 13x. So minus plus is minus 12y, minus into minus is plus 5. Okay va? So now children, x terms taken right, y term taken right, and then constant term taken right separately. So 27x minus 13x. Okay va? Next is 5y minus 12y. So next is minus 43 plus 5. Okay va? So 27 minus 13, what I will get? 1 4. Okay va? 14x. So 5y minus 12y. 5y minus 12y is 12 minus 5 is what I will get? 12 minus 5 is 7. So bigger number is 12. 12 before minus symbol is there. So I'll get minus 7y. And then minus 43 plus 5. So minus plus means we have to do the subtraction. 43 minus 5 is 38. Bigger number is 43. 43 before minus is there. So minus 38 is the correct answer. Okay children, very much simple. Minus உள்ள கொடுத்து multiplication பண்ணிட்டு terms split பண்ணி எழுதுங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் addition subtraction based on the symbols you have to do it. Okay va? That's it children. So next is here binomial term, here trinomial term. Okay, but we have the variable p here also we have the variable here, and then 5 is the constant, here 7 is the constant number. So here 2pq is the missed term. Okay va? Inga and the term illa. Now what we want to do with that? Now let me say this: p minus 2q plus 7. Okay va children? Subtraction means do the sign, minus sign. So next what term is there? 3p plus 5 is there. Okay va? So p minus 2q plus 7 minus plus minus 3p minus plus minus 5. Now take and write the separate terms. p minus 3p. Okay va? 2q minus 2q அப்படியே எழுதிக்கோ. ஏன்னா வேற டேர்மே கிடையாது, q terms அது மட்டும்தான். So write that as it is. So plus 7 minus 5, plus 7 minus 5. Okay va? Constant terms. So minus 3 plus 1, I will get minus 2p. Minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Okay va? Next minus 2q minus 2q. Okay va? So next is 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5 what I will get? Number 2. So plus 2 I will get. Okay va children? Have you clear? Very much simple sum. To write this answer in the separate way, another one way also, this is also correct answer, or else we can take 2 2 2 is there, no, we will take and write 1 2 separately here. Okay va? So 1 2 separate எடுத்துட்டோம்னா here you can write minus p minus q plus 1. Okay va? 2 minus p minus 2p minus 2q. 2 into 1 is 2. So plus 2 will get. You can write the answer in both the ways. Okay va? So next is m plus n from 3m minus 7n. So first you take and write this 3m minus 7n. அதுக்கப்புறம் minus symbol போடுங்க subtractionன்றதுனால. Then you take and write this term minus m plus n. Okay, now you take and write the m terms first. Sorry, minus 7n. The minus உள்ள கொடுத்து multiply பண்ணா minus m minus n. Both are positive, so positive into negative, minus m minus n will get. Now you take and write 3m minus m and then minus 7n minus n. Okay va? 3m la 1m போச்சனா 2m I will get. Minus 7 minus 1. So minus minus plus. So 7 plus 1 is 8. N bigger number is 7. 7 before negative is there. So 2m minus 8n is the right answer. Okay, are you clear children? Very much simple sum this and all. Algebra is the easy chapter to score the more marks and gain the more knowledge. Okay, so next is question number 4. Question number 4 is 2y plus z from 6z minus 5y. So you take and write 6z minus 5y. அதுக்கப்புறமா next is negative symbol you give and then 2y plus z. Okay ba? So now 6z minus 5y minus 2y minus z. Minus இது ரெண்டு நம்பர் கூட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுறோம். Now 6z minus z. 6z minus z. Now minus 5y minus 2y. Okay ba? Are you clear children? 6z. 6z la 1z pochana 5z. Okay, minus minus you have to do the addition. 5 plus 2 is 7y. Bigger number is 5. 5 before minus is there. So you have to give the minus sign. 5z minus 7y is the answer. Okay, very much simple some children. This and all. You can score the marks very easily. Try it in your home by seeing the video. Here and there if you are not understanding properly means keep on listening the video properly. Then you can understand very clearly. Okay. Students, next is 7th sum simplified. They given the many terms we have to do with that. Okay, so one children design I just explain how to do. Okay, first this set of terms you take and write as it is. Here plus is there, here bracket is given. Bracket given means this plus is for all the things. So plus into plus plus, plus into minus minus, plus into plus, again it will be the plus. Okay wow. So don't worry about this plus, it remains the same. But here minus is there, this minus is for all the three terms. So minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus minus, like that it will come. So you have to multiply this minus with all the three terms. Okay, I'm just doing here, listen it carefully. First x plus y minus z, and then plus 3x minus 5y plus 7z. Next you multiply this minus with all the three terms. So you will get minus 14x minus 7y. So minus into minus, again you will get plus 6. Okay, now you take and write all the x terms first. So I have the x term x plus, okay, here 3x is there. So take and write this 3x, and then here minus 14x, Now you just take and write all the y terms. Y plus y minus 5y. Okay, here minus 7y. Okay, take and write the z terms. Minus z, okay, plus 7z, okay, here 6z plus 6z. Okay, write this, you have to split and write. Okay, so next is all the x terms you take and do the simplification. So minus 14 plus 3 plus 1x. Okay va? So this is 1 plus 3 is 4, minus 14x plus 4x. What I will get? Minus 14 plus 4. Okay, I will get minus 10x. Okay children, now I am going to this y term. Okay, 1y minus 5y minus 7y. First we should add these two, minus minus plus பண்ணனும். So plus பண்ணிக்கலாம். 7 plus 5 is 12. So minus 12y. So minus 12y plus 1y minus 11y. Okay, are you clear children? Next is 7 plus 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1 13z minus z. So I will get plus 12z. So minus 10x minus 11y plus 12z is the answer. Okay, very much simple children. It's like the same, only we have to do the next one. So PQ, here the variables used are P and Q, only the two variables, and the numbers of constant numbers is there. Okay va? So first இங்க பாரு எத்தனை P இருக்கு? 1 2, okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay va, so take and write that 5p is here plus p plus p. Okay va, p plus p here minus p here minus p, next is plus p. Okay va, so next we have only one q, that is plus q, only one q plus q. Okay, next is all the constant terms you take and write plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3 minus 4 minus 5 plus 10. Okay, check it once. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 terms are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 terms are there in the question also. Okay va, so இங்க பாருங்க, இந்த plus p को minus p को cancel பண்றேன், plus p को minus p को cancel பண்றேன். So I have only 1p plus 1q. Okay va, so p plus q, p plus q. So next is, okay, so 2 plus 3 is 5. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay va, plus 1 minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 minus 5. What I will get? Minus 4 I will get. So minus 4 plus 10. I will get number 6. I will get number 6. Okay, this is your last answer. So once again I'll solve this one. Check it once. Okay va, இங்க 5. ஓகே, இது ரெண்டுத்தையும் பண்ணால் மைனஸ் 9 கிடைக்கும், இது வந்து ப்ளஸ் 10 வரும். ஓகே, ஸோ 9 minus 5 is minus 4 plus 10. So I'll get plus 6 as the answer at last. Okay va, are you clear children? Till now very much simple sums. Okay, only 2 steps sums this and all you can solve by your own very much easily. So next question is third question in the same 7th one. Okay, n plus m plus 1. Okay va, listen children, here we have only two variable m plus n, and then we have the constant numbers, many constant numbers are there. Okay va, shall we take and write? இங்க பாருங்க, so bracket இருக்கு, but we have to multiply the plus to the bracket. minus இருந்தால் தான் நமக்கு பிரச்சனை, plus இருக்கிறதுனால no problem, as it is it remains same. Okay va, so இங்க பாரு எத்தனை n இருக்கு, கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. 1 2 3, 3n. And then how many m's are there? 1 2 3 plus 3m. And then count the constant numbers now. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 4 plus 10 plus 5 is 15. So our answer this is n plus m plus 1, n plus 2, m plus 3, n plus 4, m plus 5. முதல்ல n எல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணுறோம், நெக்ஸ்ட் m எல்லாம் ஆட் பண்ணுறோம். 3m 3n இருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் கான்ஸ்டன்ட் நம்பர் 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. That's all children, only one line we can solve the sum. Very much simple. Okay, so next is objective type question. The addition of 3m minus 5n, 8mn minus 4mn, இந்த 4 termsையும் add பண்ணோம். See here all the terms have the same variables, so we have to add all the terms. add பண்ணி ஆன்சர் என்ன வருது பார்க்கலாமா? First I will add the positive numbers. 8 plus 3 is 11. Okay, 11 minus 5, 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay, 6 minus 4 is 2, so I have 2mn. Okay வா, இங்கே பாருங்க, 8 plus 3 add பண்ணா 11mn, minus 4 minus 5 minus 4 add பண்ணா minus 9mn. Okay வா, 11ல 9 போச்சுன்னா 2, so I have the answer 2mn. Okay வா, so next is when we subtract a from minus a from minus a, fromக்கு நெக்ஸ்ட்ல இருக்கிறது தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம போடணும். சப்ட்ராக்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதனால் மைனஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு திருப்பியும் ஏ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா, மைனஸ் ஏ மைனஸ் ஏ. ஓகே, மைனஸ் ஏ மைனஸ் ஏ, ரெண்டு மைனஸ் 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 we have to do the addition. So a plus a என்ன வரும்? 2a, but all the symbols are negative, so we have to give minus before the number. So minus 2a, minus a minus a, what we will get? Minus 2a. Okay, wow. So next is, in an expression we can add or subtract only. Very much important. Before starting this exercise, I just explained this. In an expression we can add or subtract only like terms. Like terms. Very good. Children, up to this exercise is getting over. We will meet you in the next class. Today's homework is, you have to write from the pages. I'll check and say few minutes. 84, 85, 86, 87 and 88. Up to this you have to complete today's homework. Okay, I will meet you in the next class. Take care. Bye.